You need a blender that can easily process your ingredients into smooth, creamy perfection if you're whirring up an energizing, healthy breakfast smoothie. But that's not all these kitchen staples are good for. Your blender should crush ice for silky smooth frozen cocktails and vegan protein shakes, puree velvety soup in minutes, and grind oats for homemade oat milk. In the Good Housekeeping Institute Kitchen Appliances and Innovation Lab, we've tested everything from immersion blenders to food processors and more than 100 blenders over the years to find the best high-performance blender models. Number 5. Ninja QB300. Pulse technology. The powerful 700-watt push to blend motor base powers through everything inside the cup to give you the best of Ninja blending. Nutrient extraction. Unlock hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. By blending whole fruits and vegetables, including portions that are usually discarded. Frozen blending. Crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients for resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, frozen treats, and more. Compact and simple. So compact that it fits on any countertop, and has intuitive, easy-to-use controls. On-the-go convenience. Blend directly in the 16 oz. Single-serve cup. Attach the spout lid, and enjoy your creations on the go. Easy to clean. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Recipe inspiration. Includes a 50-recipe inspiration guide to get you started with easy-to-prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. What's included? 700-watt motor base, blade assembly, 2.16 oz. Nutri Ninja single-serve cups, 2 spout lids, and 50-recipe inspiration guide. Number 4. NutriBullet Pro. 900 watts of power. The Pro is faster and stronger than the original, but just as simple to use. Load it up with dense whole foods like nuts, seeds, hard fruits, and kale. Then push, twist, and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. Optimized 900-watt motor and refined nutrient extraction blades blend the toughest whole foods into nutritious shakes, smoothies, and nut butters. Included: 1. 900W motor base. 1. Extractor blade. 2. 3.2 oz. Cup. 2. To-go lid. 2. Lip ring. 2. Lip ring with handle and recipe book. Powerful stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients. High performance, BPA-free plastic cups are long-lasting and durable. Hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. This item comes with a 1-year limited time only. Customize the color of your NutriBullet to perfectly complement your kitchen. Caution. They are not to be used for more than 60 seconds at a time. Meet the NutriBullet Pro, our compact and optimized personal blender. You decide what goes in to get the most out of every ingredient, every day. Number 3. Ninja SS151. Total control. Built-in twist tamper plus high-speed blades to power through tough ingredients with 1600 peak watt power for no stalling, no stirring, no shaking to get the perfect texture. Built-in twist tamper. Twist the tamper to push ingredients down toward the high-speed blades for thick and even results. Smoother blends. Hybrid edge blades assembly blends, chops and crushes at high speed to deliver better breakdown of frozen whole fruits and veggies, nuts, seeds, and ice for smoother blends. SMARTTORQUE technology. The power-dense motor maintains high speed to deliver uninterrupted performance and is designed for heavy food loads. 5 versatile functions. Easily make extractions, smoothies, frozen drinks, spreads and bowls with the touch of a button. Auto IQ technology. Take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. Drizzle cap. Add ingredients while processing to customize flavors and textures with the removable drizzle cap. Nutrient extraction * cup. Designed to deliver better ingredient breakdown for perfectly smooth drinkables. Twist on a spout lid and enjoy your drinks on the go. * extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. Easy to clean. Easy to clean base and blender with dishwasher-safe parts. What's included? 1600 peak watt motor base, 24 ounces. Single-serve cups with lid, 34 ounces. Power pitcher, 18 ounces. Nutrient extraction single-serve cup with lid, hybrid edge blades assembly and 10 recipe inspiration guide. Number 2. Breville. The Breville Fresh and Furious is where power meets versatility. Designed with 9 one-touch programs and 5 speed settings for instant smoothies, green smoothies and ice crushing to make what is a rough start, a smooth finish even blending hemisphere performance. A blender that combines the functionality of a powerful blender with some food processing tasks for versatility and convenience. Crush and chop to turn ice into snow, fold and aerate for creamy smoothies and soups compatible with the Vac Q. The Vac Q removes air from the jug before blending, providing smoother textures, brighter colors and richer flavors to your blend. The Vac Q is sold separately, quiet and efficient. The blade design and high-torque motor delivers quiet and efficient blending performance. Engineered surgical-grade stainless steel ensures the blades stay sharp for longer 1-touch versatility. Pre-programmed buttons make it super simple to blend the smoothest of smoothies and crush ice into snow. LCD display. LCD display counts up on speed settings and down for pre-programmed settings for complete control when blending. Innovative lid and ring pull. The Breville Assist lid with unique ring pull design ensures the lid is easy to remove yet sealed tight during operation. Included accessories. Breville Assist lid with inner measuring lid capacity and settings. 50 ounces round BPA free Triton jug. 5 speed settings warranty. 3-year limited product warranty. Power 1100 watts. Voltage 110 to 120 volts. Number 1. Vitamix A3500. Program settings. 5 program settings for smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. Ensure walk-away convenience and consistent results. The A3500 pairs with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app. Unlock the Ascent Series A3500's full potential with 17 programs and 500+ recipes with the iOS Plus Android app. Touchscreen controls give the machine a sleek silhouette and are easily wiped clean. Electrical ratings 120 volts, 50 to 60 Hz, 12 amps. Cord 4 feet, HP. 2.2 peak. You're in control. Variable speed control and pulse feature let you manually fine-tune the texture of any recipe. Built-in wireless connectivity. The motor base is able to read the container size you've chosen and automatically adjust program settings and maximum blending times accordingly. Add a range of compatible container sizes, building a customized blending system designed to fit your needs. Programmable timer. A built-in timer helps avoid over or under processing your custom recipes. Set the timer to the length of your blend, and it will turn the machine off automatically. What's in the box? Motor base, low profile 64 ounces. Container. Low profile classic tamper, simply blending cookbook.